Time for some Friday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we are beginning with Gemma Alberta Grace, celebrating birthday number 3. It says happy birthday from Mom, Dad, Grandma, and Grandpa.
Might be Gemma.
You're probably right. You're absolutely right.
Happy birthday, sweetie. And a happy 7th birthday to Hadley Morgan, who's now 7 strong in Carthage.
And Silas Herring celebrating birthday number 10 in Liberal. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Silas. And a happy birthday going out to Stormy, who's 15 years old. Love Mama, Nanny, Ronalds, and all your family.
And Peyton Head celebrating birthday number 15. And she is actually the sister of our technical media operator, Courtney Head, who works here at KOAM. So a very happy birthday to you, Peyton.
All right. And in Frontenac, John Jones celebrating birthday number 38.
And Matt Alloway over in Parsons celebrating birthday number 40. Happy birthday, Matt.
Sharon Bartley celebrating birthday number 43. Looking great there, Sharon, in Wyandotte, Oklahoma. Happy birthday. Love, Mom and Dad.
And J.D. Frice celebrating birthday number 67 in Moorhead, Kansas. Happy birthday, J.D.
Judy Clugston celebrating the big 8-0 this year. Looking great there, Judy, in Columbus.
And Jim and Denise Farinacci in Asbury celebrating their 48th wedding anniversary. Happy anniversary to Jim and Denise.
All right, and up in Fort Scott, it's a 50th anniversary for Wib and Patty Moen. Love that throwback wedding picture there. Congratulations to the Moens.
And then, of course, since it's Peyton's birthday, it's also Courtney's birthday. Courtney Head, our KOAM technical media operator, celebrating her birthday today as well. Happy birthday.
And congratulations. Yeah, I don't know why I say congratulations. Happy birthday, Courtney. Cool that you and your sister get to share together. John Haggerty in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday to you, John.
And we're celebrating Jaden Stevens today. Happy birthday, Jaden.
And Jean Swan celebrating a birthday as well.
All right, what a great birthday list to wrap up the week. And of course, we want to continue to see more birthdays and anniversaries. Tanya can tell you where you need to send them.
That's right. All you have to do is email them to us. Don't forget the S on this one, birthdays@KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website checking out all the neat things it's got to offer, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some great deals from local businesses, and you get a special message from your friends here at KOAM. So just make sure you sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club by heading over to KOAMnewsnow.com. All right.